Who is that?
Walking through the forest bright, morning sunshine warm and light.
Follow the
Step by
footprints.
step along the way, learning letters as we play. E, E, come and see what the letter E can be. Goes stomp, 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 leaves the grass and through the pond, splashing water in the air, making rainbows
Elephant starts
everywhere.
with E.
For elephant today. Come and learn and come and
Look,
play.
eggs.
Little egg goes crack, crack,
Egg
crack.
starts with
Tiny
E.
cheek is peeking back. Round and gentle, white and bright, shining in the
What's
morning
that?
light. E for egg, can you see? Egg begins with
Wow,
Y.
an eagle.
Flying in the sky, floating softly way up high, over mountains, over trees, flying
Eagle starts with
in
E.
the breeze. E for eagle, flying free, soaring high.
Which one starts with
over
E?
the sea.
The egg.
Elephant, egg, and eagle too.
Great
Letter
job.
E is fun to do.